Welcome to the third part of configuring and implementing Exchange Server 2010. After that, we want to have IMAP version 4 and POP 3 to open automatically. And to do that, go to Start and then click on Administrative Tools and go to Services. All the services are loaded. Type in Microsoft. Expand the window so that you can see the name required. And as you can see, we have the reset manual. Go ahead, click on Properties on it. Click Mode to automatic delayed start. This will give the operation and the time for Microsoft Exchange to work first. Click Apply and OK. And repeat the same process for IMAP version 4. Click OK. Go back to the console management for the Exchange and click on Hub Transport. Select Default Server 2. Basically, in the Default Server 2 properties, we are allowing users to send information from different servers or different domains. And to do that, have the anonymous users checked and click on Apply. Once done, click on OK. And this is all what you need to do for server configuration. And then we can go on to the recipient configuration and click on Mailbox. Basically, users can access the mailbox by using the following servers that will be loaded up soon. We can also create a new mailbox if you want to distribute the information across another directory. So go ahead and click on New Mailbox. After that, select User Mailbox and click on Next. Have the existing user selected, and what this does is that it will check the domain which is on server 1 of the activated users and will allow to add them to the server. So for example, let me go ahead and add this employee to the organization email. Select it and click on OK. And then click on Next. And over here you can give a license for the name. You can assign a policy. However, if you don't do any of these, they will be done automatically for you. And since we have already configured the default, the policies would be applied automatically. So click on Next and click on New. As you can see, we have now successfully created a new user to the Exchange server. So click on Finish. Notice that all of the accounts here are accessed from the domain controller, which is on server 1. After completing that, click on Start, Administrative Tools, and click on IIS Manager. And then expand and select the Exchange. After opening IIS, close the page and connect to a server. Click on Exchange, type in Exchange, the Batelco VH, click on Next. username have to be administrator, and password is password. On next, go ahead and click on server 2 and then go to certificates. Next is the default website, so go to default website by expanding the site and clicking on it. And then go to HTTP redirect request to /OWA and have only the redirect request content in this directory, and select permanent 301 and click on apply. So what is happening now? We have redirected the default web page to access the Microsoft Exchange. So, for example, when I click on Internet Explorer and go to the local host, it opens up the Microsoft Exchange application. So let's go ahead and enter the username and password. Batelco administrator. And as you can see, we have successfully entered the account through, it's called, and this is by the way called web browser email. This is an email that can be accessed through the web browser. Select the settings that you want, such as the time zone. Go ahead and change to the current time zone. And click on OK. And by doing that, you should be able to send and receive this authenticate the user, and you have successfully installed the email server. After that, open through and go to start and open DNS. We want to allow the URL to access the Microsoft Exchange, and to do that we will need to create a new host and name it as Exchange, and assign the IP address 10.1.55.6, which is the IP address of server 2, and add host. So it says successfully created, and then you want to add the new alias. So type www.exchange.particular.vh and browse to the location of the created host. So scroll down to Exchange, select it and click OK. Then click OK. And if we go to the URL and try to access the email by using the host, we should be able to be redirected automatically. Exchange or www.exchange.particular.vh. So we have successfully entered the email server, which resides on server 2, You can also load into it. This is another user that is created. So let's go ahead and log in. As you can see, flawlessly it enters the email and allows you to set or time to use it. That is end of part 3 and the configuration and installation of the Microsoft Exchange Server 2010. Thank you for watching.